Hi folks, today I am preparing Arbi Ki Sabzi. Arbi, colocasia or taro, whatever name used in your place. This is very amazing sabji. Taro, colocasia or Arbi, it's a tuber. So you will be amazed when you know the benefit of this sabji. Here I am taking approximately half kg of taro or Arbi. I have thoroughly washed and taken away the raw or contaminated taro, and I am dipping it in water. So I will boil it for 6 to 7 minutes at the medium flame by covering it. It has to be boiled perfectly so the nutritious value will be retained. This is a starchy vegetable and it's very easy to consume because it's very healthy and nutritious and good source of carbohydrate, So here 7 minutes has passed and I have checked in between. So it's perfectly cooked. Now I switch off the flame and rest it. So this becomes cool down, and see, it can be peeled very easily by hand, or you can use knife to peel all the outer part of the arbi. So I will throw all the peels and see the vegetable part, palatable part of the arbi. I will cut randomly, so small pieces. It has high fiber, so it keep help in indigestion, bloating, nausea, constipation, blah blah blah. Here I am taking thick bottom pan and heat mustard oil. Mustard oil should be taken if you want to lose your weight, and if you want to gain, then use clarified butter. Adding 1 spoon of carom seeds and roast it for a while for 30 seconds. 1 red chili, or you can add green chili, whatever you like. Add turmeric powder and roast thoroughly. And now I am adding boiled arbi. See? The starch of the vegetable is very helpful in maintaining glycemic index. So diabetic patient can also take this sabji and mix it thoroughly and add salt as per your taste and cook for a while and cover it so the aroma of the carom seed and salt is mixed properly. See, for 5 minutes I am cooking it. Flame should be low. This sabji is exceptionally rich in potassium, so it will regulate your blood pressure also. See, our sabji cooked perfectly. The steam, aroma and the mustard oil is almost mixed. So now I will roast as it is by keeping the flame high, and a crust is being developed over here. So all the chunk of the arbi is become crispy and loaded with nutritional benefit. So you can serve it with chapati or paratha. So if you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel. It's free. Don't forget to like and share. It will make my day. Thanks for watching.